Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we're going to take a ride on the Tucano monster fat tire bike in France. But this film is not only about riding a beautiful e-bike, it's also about using a GoPro Hero 7 Black. To get this shot, I used a GoPro chest mount. The camera settings are 2K, super wide, and I like to do my own color correction. This is particularly easy with software like Final Cut Pro. This is a very typical French country road. These trees are walnut trees. So this is the Tucano monster bike. Currently in Power Assist 6. GoPros tend to film everything rather contrasty, so the darks are too dark and the skies can be bleached out. But leave it on a more flat setting and you can recover some blueness in the sky and make sure the shadows have some details. Sit back and enjoy a ride through rural France. And at the end of the film, a bonus. You get to meet our wonderful sheep and goats. Very typical Dordogne style house in front of us. So let's open her up. 6, 7, 8, 9. to a T-junction. I'm going to change down and go down to 4 on the power assist. Set off in 4, move up the gears and move up the power assist. Slight hill, up a notch. Beautiful bar. And over the bridge back into our little village. Introduce you to the sheep with the pink collar is Iris. That's Dega, who's just got up. That's Bertie. That's Mum, who's Iris. And there's their baby from last year, who's called Moses. Yeah. Here's the babies. Here's the geese. See who we can find in here. Ah, nobody. It's a quiet day. Oh, I don't know where the goats have gone. No, I don't know where the goats have gone. Somewhere naughty, probably. Maybe down here. No. See the cat. But I don't see the goats anywhere. So let's carry on looking for the goats. there's only one place they could be. There they are. Hey Corbet. This is little Corbet. Corbet! Say hi. Hi. This is Wallace. Say hi, Wallace. So, mystery solved. Good goat. That's our water wheel.